Okay, hello again. I transplanted that baby African violet into its own pot. This is a pretty little pot that my neighbor gave me a while back with my name on it. Now we'll see how this little baby does. It may surprise us. And where I couldn't remember the name of this beautiful purple one, it finally came to me. This one is called Maine, after the state, which is appropriate because that's where I live. So again, thanks for watching, and I'll bring you more African violet adventures in the weeks to come. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye now.